What if London in the year 2100 became one of the most intelligent and naturally alive cities on Earth? Not a city buried under pollution, noise, and concrete, but a city where artificial intelligence and nature work together in perfect balance. By 2100, London is no longer just a financial capital or a historic metropolis. It has become a living urban ecosystem. And at the center of this transformation is an invisible intelligence quietly listening to the city's air, water, transport, and wildlife. The future of London begins with its river. Once used mainly for movement and commerce, the river is now treated like a living organ at the heart of the city. AI now monitors water quality, current strength, flood pressure, and wildlife movement every second of the day. When heavy rain approaches, intelligent flood systems respond early, quietly reshaping the river's flow before danger can even appear. Along the edges of the water, floating wetlands clean the river naturally while creating habitats for birds, fish, insects, and plant life. The river is no longer something London simply builds beside. It is something the city now protects, learns from, and grows around. In 2100, London's skyline rises higher than ever before, but it rises like a forest. These towers are not just places to work and live. They are climate regulators, oxygen generators, and habitats in the sky. Artificial intelligence manages shade, moisture, temperature, and plant health across every major building in the city. On hot days, the buildings cool the streets below. On colder days, they preserve warmth and reduce waste. The skyline no longer dominates nature, it grows with it. Perhaps the most beautiful sign of change is the return of wildlife. Urban foxes move through protected green corridors. Swans glide across cleaner waters. Pollinators travel across rooftop gardens above the streets. AI does not control these animals. It simply creates the conditions that allow them to live safely beside millions of people. Roads have been redesigned with wildlife bridges, underground passages, and quiet transport lanes that reduce stress on both animals and humans. By 2100, London finally understands that a healthy city depends on more than people alone. None of this happens by accident. London's AI listens to the city constantly, to the air, the water, the heat, the crowd flow, and the movement of life. When air quality shifts, traffic patterns adjust. When heat rises, shaded structures expand and cooling systems activate. When birds migrate, the city quietly adapts. The city feels calm not because nothing is happening, but because millions of invisible decisions are working together all the time. London in 2100 still moves quickly. It simply no longer moves aggressively. Autonomous pods glide through the city with almost no sound, guided by AI systems that reduce waste, delay, and congestion. Above the streets, lightweight sky transit links rooftops, public gardens, and civic spaces without overwhelming the skyline. Public movement has become cleaner, more adaptive, and far more human. For the people who live here, the future is not defined by machines alone. It is defined by quality of life. Homes are brighter, healthier, and designed around sunlight, air, greenery, and calm. Children learn in spaces connected to gardens, wildlife zones, and riverfront science labs. Healthcare has also changed. AI predicts illness early, while green environments help people heal in calmer, less stressful ways. Food no longer travels through endless wasteful systems. Much of it is grown close to the people who need it. London's future did not become greener simply because technology improved. It became greener because people decided that intelligence should protect life, not overpower it. This is what a truly smart city looks like. Not a city filled with screens, but a city filled with life. The future of cities may not be louder, taller, and harder. It may be quieter, greener, and wiser. And if London can learn how to grow with nature, then perhaps every city on Earth can do the same. This is London in 2100, a city where artificial intelligence protects balance, nature returns to everyday life, and the future feels beautifully alive.